Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well today. I wanted to just do a follow-up video to a post that I had made on my Facebook page Friday of last week. If you guys already have me on Facebook, you'll know that my 6-year-old and I had a bit of a bad homeschool moment. And for those of you who don't have me on Facebook, you can go ahead and pause here and have a quick read and see what happened. So as you can see here, despite my best efforts and practicing what I preach here on this channel, I was not able to avoid having a bad homeschool moment. So some of you might be wondering why I'm even bothering to share this in the first place. And the reason why I'm sharing it is because I just wanted to encourage all of you who are new to this homeschooling thing because of COVID-19 and the school closures, that even as homeschoolers go through days like this where our child or even ourselves, we're just not having it. And sometimes all we need to do is just give our child the space to communicate so that we can understand where they're coming from, why they're feeling the way that they're feeling, and why maybe they're meeting us with resistance. I made a video a few months ago where I shared a few tips and tricks that I've learned over the last 2.5 years where I've been homeschooling to avoid days like these and moments like these from happening. So I will leave the link to that video in the description box below. So the most important thing that I just wanted everyone watching to take away from this is to just not be hard on yourself. Just encourage yourself and just remember that some learning is better than none. Sometimes you have to just put it down and pick it up at a later time. As you can see in the video here, this is the activity that my 6-year-old ended up in tears over Friday last week. 4 days later, here we are picking up the same activity that he ended up in tears over, and he's doing it with a lot of enthusiasm and confidence. Encourage yourself, encourage your child, give yourself a ton of grace. Take a deep breath because you got this, Mama. You can do it. So that's all that I have for you all today. Thank you all so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, then please hit the subscribe button before you leave and share with someone you know who you think might enjoy the content that I post on this channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. Until next time.